Log into iTax via itax.kra.go.ke. Enter your KRA PIN and password. Enter the answer to the security stamp and click on Login. Some might receive a data privacy pop-up. Click on I understand, then Submit. You can as well click on the link for further information. Under the Return menu, click on File Returns and select Income Tax Resident Individual. Download the Income Tax Resident Individual Excel form from the options given and save. Open the Excel sheet and click on Enable Editing. You might get a 1004 runtime error. To solve this, save the document, then close and open the return once again. Capture your KRA PIN number. Select Type of Return as Original. Capture Return Period from as 1st January 2023 and Return Period 2 as 31st December 2023. In case you have a mortgage, an insurance policy, or you channeled any amount to NHIF, select Yes to the question, do you have an insurance policy and do you have a mortgage? Click on Sheet L labeled Computation of Insurance Relief and capture the KRA PIN of the insurance company, name of insurance company. In my case, I'll select NHIF as it is applicable to most of us. Enter NHIF membership number as your insurance or policy number. By default, the policyholder is selected as self and other fields will be grayed out. Then capture the annual premium paid. In case you have another insurance policy, you can compute the details as per your insurance certificate for the year 2023. Capture commencement date as per the policy document as well as the maturity date. Enter sum assured and annual premium paid. In case you have a mortgage, click on Sheet J named Computation of Mortgage Interest. Capture KRA PIN of the lender, name of the lender, your mortgage account number, amount borrowed, amount outstanding at year end, annual interest paid, January to June interest, as well as July to December interest. Please note that all these details are available in your 2023 mortgage certificate. You'll then go to Sheet T, that is Tax Computation Sheet, confirm that the values are similar to what is in your P9, mortgage and insurance certificate. Fill in the pension contribution and personal relief field, then validate the return. Click on Yes, then OK to save the document. Go back to iTax and upload the document under Upload File. In case you are logged out, just go back to the process of logging in, then upload the filed income tax document. Agree to the terms and conditions, then submit. Click OK to the question, do you want to upload the form? And your return will have successfully been filed.